Hello and welcome to GeoTruth. Today we're going to look at the moon on October 22nd, 2023. On October 22nd, the moon is in its first quarter moon phase. On October 22nd at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, around 20:02, which is 8:02 p.m., pictures and video of the moon were taken using a Nikon P1000 camera. We'll observe the pictures and videos taken with the camera and notice as the sun moves farther away from the moon increases its light. Using the astronomical data from the United States Naval Observatory, altitude and azimuth of the sun or moon during one day, we will first locate the actual sun and moon's locations on the Earth when the Nikon P1000 pictures were taken at time 20:02. We will locate the moon's coordinates first. The first row on the table shows the moon's altitude is 90 degrees, or directly above, at minus 22.49 latitude and minus 77.15 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the moon on the circular level plane Gleason's map. On October 22nd, the moon is 60% illuminated. The first row on the table shows the sun's altitude is 90 degrees, or directly above, at minus 10.88 latitude and plus 175.65 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the sun on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The moon is shown as a white circle and is located at minus 22.49 latitude and minus 77.15 longitude. The sun is shown as a yellow circle and is located at minus 10.88 latitude and plus 175.65 longitude. Let's compare the locations of the sun and moon from October 14th to October 22nd. We continue to observe the sun is moving farther west from the moon, and the moon's light increases each day. Here is Mainstream Science's fake graphic of the moon on October 22nd. From October 14th to October 22nd, the moon has gone from 0% illumination to 60% illumination. Next, we will look at pictures and videos taken with the Nikon P1000 camera on October 22nd. Around time 17:24 during the day, I was able to get some pictures and video of the moon. During the day, we observed the back edge of the moon facing away from the sun. There was no line of demarcations between light and blue sky, but instead pockets of light next to pockets of blue sky. These pockets of blue sky are void of mass and invisible. During the day, we observe the front edge of the moon facing the sun is fully lit and has a clear line of demarcation between light and blue sky. At night, we observe the back edge of the moon facing away from the sun. There is no line of demarcation between light and darkness, but instead pockets of light next to pockets of darkness. The pockets of darkness are void of mass and are invisible. We continue to observe areas of light that are not connected to the main lit area of the moon. This again is because this area of the moon is beginning to fill with light energy. We continue to observe the front edge of the moon facing the sun is fully lit and has a clear line of demarcation between light and darkness. As the sun continues to separate its distance from the moon each day, the back edge of the moon facing away from the sun is being filled with more light energy each day. Each day we are witnessing the moon's disk increasing in light. The moon's disk facing the sun continues obtaining more light, whereas the remainder of the disk, unlit, is void of anything and invisible. The moon continues to electromagnetically charge itself from the sun's energy. Next time we will look at the moon's lunar cycle on October 23rd, 2023. Goodbye.